equal to 10, 11, 12. 3 into 5 is equal to 12 after 30, 40, 50. 3 into 6 is equal to 16, 17, 18. 3 into 7 is equal to 18 after 19, 20, 21. 3 into 8 is equal to 22, 23, 24. 3 into 9 is equal to 24, 25, 26, 27. 3 into 10 is equal to 27, 28, 29, 30, 30. Completed.